how to see the transcript of a video. Hi everybody, in this video I'm going to be telling you guys the fastest way to basically see the transcript of any video. So firstly, you just have to download this particular software, which is called Transcript. Now this is an absolutely free software. Of course, you have to pay for it if you guys are transcribing very lengthy videos, but for shorter videos this is the best. Simply come over here on their website, and then after that download it, and then after that click on the search bar on your computer and type in Transcript over here to simply open up Transcript. Now over here right now it's telling us that right now we have low memory, but still it's gonna open up. And then after that you guys can now basically see that we have the software opened up. Now what you have to do is that you just have to simply drag and drop the video that you guys want to have transcribed. So let's say I want to have a video transcribed, which is a video of my own. So I will just simply wait for Transcript to load up, and then after that I will show you how it's done. So once you guys are logged in, after that click on the new button, click on project, and then simply type in a name for the project, and then after that press enter. And then now simply drag and drop the video that you guys want to have transcribed. So over here I am dragging and dropping a video, and then after that it's going to take just a few seconds, and over here you guys are going to be able to see the transcription of the complete video. So over here right now the transcription is being done, and then we should be able to see the transcription in just a few moments. So click on transcribe file, and then after that click on transcribe, and then now the transcription has begun. It's going to be ready really soon. And there we have it. The file has now been successfully transcribed, and we can basically see the whole transcription of this particular video over here. So guys, that is how you guys can basically see the transcription of any video that you guys might have on your computer, phone, or laptop. So guys, this was the video. Be sure to like, subscribe, and share. Till next time, goodbye.